Hi, everybody. My name is Teacher Brandon.
Buddy, before we invite our friends on stage, your friend has been spied in the background, so I think it's time for a formal introduction.
All right, what's up, everybody? This is the official campfire, the Kalimba Campfire mascot. And for those on Clubhouse, I am holding up a stuffed animal, but instead of it being a stuffed animal, it's a stuffed campfire with with five logs of wood stacked in a pyramid style, and the fire is hair at the top of the stack with a big smiley face. So, hi, Burnie, and you know what? Burnie can be Burnie, Burnie can be Bernadette, Burnie can be whoever they want to be, just like you, whoever you are out there, whether you're a Burnie or a Bernadette or any Burnie in between, you can Burnie any bee you want to be.
And we
You
have to
can,
we have to clarify that it's Burnie.
that's right,
Right. It's that
Burnie.
kind of Bernie.
B-U-R. All right, so we got our campfire mascot Bernie. So everybody say what's up to Bernie. And actually, I got to give a shout out to my love over there, Bex. Bex, who's watching, who got me Bernie. I think that was a really good find. Thank you, Bex. Nice and quiet. What's really nice. Get yourself your favorite drink. Tea, water, seltzer, I don't know, glass of wine, whatever it is that you do, make yourself cozy. We do this every month. Welcome to the Kalimba Campfire. My name is Brandon, Teacher Brandon, but I'm your friend too. And I'm really, really happy to be here tonight. I got my audio all worked out. It should sound really good on your end. Turn your speakers up. We're going to have some fun. I'm going to really explore this set of beautiful instruments distributed by We Play Well Together. Shout out Gabrielle. Distributed out of California. We got French instruments, we got German instruments, made by hand by some amazing people. So, wherever you are, take a breath with me. I am really, really all about this right now. So I'm going to take a couple deep breaths. I want you to find yourself wherever you are, ground yourself, whatever's happening around you. If you're driving, don't close your eyes or anything, but just take a couple breaths with me with intention and find yourself in the space that you're in and the body you inhabit. Beautiful. All right, let's go. let's figure out you can hear me. Yeah. Mm. Uh-huh. Y'all still with me? Mm. Yeah. Ah. All right, friends. Well, we have 7 minutes left. So Bernie and I are going to give you a little we're going to give you a little love from my hand pan sunshine. All my dogs are looking at me out the window, barking at me incessantly. And they can watch me play too. Give it a little muting. It's cool. Check it out. All right, friends. Enjoy. Enjoy the barking dogs in the background. But honestly, wherever you are, thank you for being here. Thank you for being a part of this community. It really takes everybody together to lift each other up, you know. You hear that all right, Jewel?
Yep.
Great. All right. All right, I'm going to take us home, everybody. I hope you enjoy wherever you are. I love you. I'm glad you're here. Wherever you are right now, I want you to think of what you're grateful for in this present moment. What are you grateful for? Think about that. When you've got it, hold it in your heart and hold it in your mind. And for the next few minutes, I want you to think about what you're grateful for. And I want this music to help you channel that. Let's go. wherever you are, whatever is happening in your life, I wish you well. I hope you're happy. I hope you're okay. I hope you're loved. I hope you feel loved. And if you ever need more love, you can always come to the campfire, friends. We'll always be here for you. I'm always really, really happy when you can be here with me. You could be anywhere in the world, and you are everywhere in the world. And you choose to be here with me and Bernadette and all my friends at the Kalimba Campfire. So thank you everybody so much for joining me. I will see you next month. And I look forward to that already. So until then, take care of yourselves, take care of each other, and remember, in a world where you can be anything, be kind. I love you. Have a good night. I'll see you next month, friends.
Thanks, buddy. If you're on stage, feel free to unmute and say thank you, gratitude, goodbye. Much love.
Much love, blessings, and thank you. So beautiful.
Great stuff, Brandon.
Thank you,
Love
friends.
that drum. Whew.
Thank you.
Thank you, friends. Good night.
Take care.